Hello student, I Dr. R.D. Patil, Head Department of Zoology, Vasantara Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shada. Today we discuss about the your TYVC Zoology paper 6, Zoo 506, Pest Management. We have already discussed the syllabus as well as first unit, that is the introduction of pest. In introduction of the pest, there are two sub points, that is 1.1 is the introduction of the pest and types of pest. 1.2 is the classification of pest with the help of the systemic position, nature of damage, control measure and life cycle. This point will be explained. In this serially there are the 5 types of the pest. We have completed this whole pest as your completion by the 8th lecture. Today is the 9th lecture of this course and end the units first. In your unit first, introduction of the pest, last pest 1.2.5 is the structural pest. In structural pest, you denote or define the name of this pest in your name. It is a structure. In structural pest, mainly included by the white ants, it is called as termites. Its scientific name is the Odontotermus obesus. It is a scientific name. In Marathi it is called as a वाळवी किंवा उदी आपण त्याला म्हणतो. तर हा जो पेस्ट आहे, ह्या पेजचे जर होस्ट किंवा त्याची जर आपण हॅबिटॅट बघितली तर लिव्हिंग or dead vegetation, books and other articles of wood, fabric, etc. Especially this type of the store grain pests are mainly attacking to the dead vegetation, old books and other articles of the wood, that is furnitures or fabrics material. In classification or systematic position point of view, these pests are the phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Blattodia, family Termitidae, genus Odontotermus, and species is the Odontotermus obesus. This is the classification of this pest. Next point is the mark of identification or of the Odontotermus obesus. Means ह्या पेस्टला किंवा स्ट्रक्चरल पेस्टला कसं ओळखायचं, त्याची आयडेंटिटी काय आहे ते ह्या टॉपिकमध्ये आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायचं आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण विचार केला, दीज आर कॉमनली कॉल्ड एज अ व्हाईट अँड्स. दीज आर social insects living in polymorphic colonies. Means this animal group, the animals or insects which are included in the social groups or social insects, means the insects which have work of division. Means in this type of the insect category, the insect has a different caste in your groups. We determine or divided the work of the house. So they show division of labor and consume cellulose. Mainly the social insects has a most important characteristic feature is the division of labor. Means each and every species or insects has a different works. It is a work of division. They attack on wooden and earthen construction and make pig nest where they live without any other disturbances. It is mainly live in the sand or soil materials. It is also called as त्याला आपण वाळवीचं वारूड किंवा घरटे म्हणतो आपण. अशा ठिकाणी जमिनीवरती ते मातीमध्ये होल करून त्या ठिकाणी राहू शकतात. दे व्हॅरी इन शेप, साईज, कलर अँड वर्किंग. त्यांचे काम हे वेगवेगळे आहे, त्यांचे शेप साईज देखील वेगवेगळे आहे. They are often blind with soft, sensitive, thin skin. Mainly, we have not seen vision. We have the blind, only the sensitive on the thin skin. Their color varies from whitish pale to brown. The two pairs of wings are developed during breeding season for a short period and soon as shed off when which are similar in size. Many more time, the in a specific category of the reproducts wings are developed only breeding periods In a few short periods, the wings are cast off or shed off. Termites are grouped into two categories, that is a fertile and sterile cast. Means the any organisms which are participating in the fertilization to fertile, and it is not to real participant in fertilization. This is sterile caste. The fertile caste includes a uh, male, female. It is called a queen. Male is called a king. Colonizing and complementary adults. These are developed in such a way that they help in reproduction and eggs laying. In case of the male or female dies, there is a special complementary adults to replace them and continue the colony. In many more time, the different caste or categories are seen in these wood termites or white ants. That is a king or queen, worker and soldier. In this view, many more times the male or king or queens are not present or dies any kinds of the abstraction at this time. Complementary adults is a specific uh, category or caste of this group. We have replaced them, male and female, to continue the work of the colony. The sterile caste includes soldiers and workers. These are the most important caste group in this white ants or wood termites as work. These are fed in such a way that their reproductive organs do not develop. It is also called as sterile. It is not really participant into the fertilization. They help the queen in reproduction, cleaning of the colony, feeding the young ones, self-guarding the family, killing the outsider, and attending all important works of the nest. Many more times these soldiers and workers as a highly population or numbering in the uh, our colonies. So your work is a powerful. So in your marks of identification point of view, these four categories of this caste of the wood termites or white ants. First is the workers. Workers, these are the small white insects most commonly seen during damage. They can be easily recognized by their vertical carried head and small broad jaws. This is characteristic features of these workers. These are injurious from and constitute 80 to 90% of the whole population. In your colony, workers numbering or population is higher as compared to the other caste of the white ants of the colony. Second is the soldiers. Give your names. Soldiers were defense to any against the enemies. These are a little larger than workers and carry long pointed jaws placed horizontal in front of head. They are about 2 to 3% of the population. So this type of the specific animal groups, that is worker soldier, is a strong, is a specific diagram. This is seen as a mandibles also in this way. This is a specific category of this animal caste differentiation, and in the diagrams this indicated by the soldiers. This is workers, this is queens, and this is king. So this soldier has a strong mandibles are developed according to against defense the enemy. So this is a worker soldier. Third one is the winged adults. They are bigger than the soldiers and possesses four equally long wings, which are folded on the back and readily cast off after nuptial flights. Means after the mating or breeding, the wings will be cast off or dry off by the adult wings. Fourth is a king. This is still bigger, wingless male. It is the partner for the to form the colony. It live in the net and repeatedly copulates. There is generally only one king in a colony. Uh, King also only one to continuously copulates or mating by the female or queen and get by the uh, formation of this generation is continuously. This is a morphology of Odontogmerus obesus. Here the wood termites as the morphological photographs of scene of this animal paste. This is a head. Head has a powerful mandible. This is a as a attacking to the enemy. This is thorax and this is abdomen. Next is also has a many more different caste of the wood termites are seen in these photographs. Also in natural habitats of these wood termites are living to the soils. Next, fifth is queen. This is the biggest wingless member of the colony, about 10 centimeter in length. She is the co-founder of the colony. The head and thorax are small as compared to abdomen. Thousands of eggs lay per day for several years. Queen has get thousands of eggs per day for several years. Last six is we already discussed about this supplementary reproductive, means any inner emergency conditions at this times king as well as queens are dies, these supplementary reproductives are work as an emergency period. These are the special females whose duty is to reproductive in emergency. It is a indicate this point, reproductive in the emergency. In the queen happens to die, these are fed on special food to activate their reproductive organs. We at this time रिमेनिंग जोपर्यंत त्या कॉलनीमध्ये क्वीन आहे तोपर्यंत हा सप्लिमेंटरी रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ॲक्टिव्ह होत नाही. काही कारणास्तव इमर्जन्सी पिरियडमध्ये क्वीन्स डेड वगैरे झाली त्या टायमाला सप्लिमेंटरी, तिचे नावच आहे सप्लिमेंटरी रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह, द स्पेसिफिक ऑफ द फूड मटेरियल्स आर ॲक्टिवेट टू दिस कॅटेगरी ऑफ द insects or white ants, and to give the roles to reproduction and to stay the colony. This is a caste differentiation of the white ants in these photographs. Next is the next point is the life cycle of Odontotermus ovacus. This is the termites have two main forms, reproductive and sterile, means it is a fertile and sterile. The colony consists of male or king, one female or queen, and a large number of workers and soldiers. As we already discussed about the uppermost point, the workers has 80 to 90% of the whole population, soldiers also 3 to 4%, and male and females are the only one to get your population or numbering is less. The queen is a giant and has no other work than continuously laying millions of yellowish or cream colored kidney shaped small eggs, means the queen has only one work to give the laying the eggs in your colony. Other most duties or works are creating by the soldiers as well as workers. So this is the most important work as your outdoor indoor duties. Next is these are deposited in particular cells for hatching. The nymphs are similar to adults in your life cycle. The nymphs undergoes several molds producing workers and soldiers. Periodically they produce winged form or primary reproduce, which swarm and repeat the cycle in continuously for a specific way. With the first few showers of rain appear a few winged male and female forms. They leave the termitorum, then when mature fly about, copulate, shed their wings, become king and queens, burrow in soil and establish new colonies. Means after the completion of the development of the nymphs, the male and females are your copulate to particular rainy seasons. Termitorium means in your soil house, fly about and copulate the male and female to form the new colonies. This is a life cycle Odontotermus ovacus. This is the eggs hatch into the larva. This is a nymph has a 3 to 4 instar larva, that is a worker, white ants, soldier, reproductives. This is a alate, is winged, also has a dialate, and this is a king termites, this is queen termites. So this is a different caste or stages are present in the life cycle of the Odontotermus ovacus, that is the white ants. This is also schematic representation of the life cycle of the Odontotermus ovacus. It is the eggs hatch into the nymphs. We also have this is a alate, the soldiers and worker we form to the, this is a queen is a large, and this is a king or also as a male. We have the mostly important role in the fertilization or breeding period. This also the stages of the life cycle of the Odontotermus ovacus. Next is the point is the nature of damage of Odontotermus ovacus. व्हाईट अँड कुठल्या प्रकारचं नुकसान हे करू शकतं. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. टर्माइट्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट इन्सेक्ट पेस्ट ॲज दे कॉज व्हेरी ग्रेट डॅमेज. मीन्स द टर्माइट्स आर पॉलीफॅगस. पॉलीफॅगस मीन त्याचा अर्थ होतो पॉली मीन्स मेनी, फॅगस मीन एनगल्फिंग और प्लांट मटेरियल्स. तर अशा प्रकारचं म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये कुठले ते खाऊ शकतात. पॉली वी हॅव द इटिंग बाय द different kinds of the foods. Their food is composed of mainly as a cellulose. This is a specific insects in the animal universe. We have the digest the cellulose. Though there is no any animals in the universe we digest the cellulose, because cellulose is not easily digest. Only in your wood termites, the specific type of the parasite, that is Trichonympha. These Trichonympha parasites in your elementary canals to get by the specific enzyme to digestion by the cellulose, which they got from living or dead vegetation, books and other articles of the wood. Also attacking by the old furnitures as well old books and different kinds of the or decorative articles in houses of the wood are also wasted or damaging by this pest. They damage buildings, furniture, books and crops, especially sugarcane, maize, jawar, bajra, pulses, paddy, wheat, potato, tea, coffee, fruit and forest trees. These all kinds of the plants also staying in your natural forms. This type of the pest are attacking and damages these plants. They cause considerable damage to the dry and dead wood furniture, books and almost all articles containing cellulose. These kinds of the particles, especially the dry wood, also the higher quantity of the cellulose. These cellulose are digested by these wood termites. Next, last topic is the control measures of Odontomerus obesus. First is the primary controls, means as a basic or brief, as a primary level of the controls we already used by your local peoples. The first is a protection of wooden structures can be based by taking care that no wood comes in contact with ground. Many more time the farmers as well as human beings as your wooden materials or ornamentals, also as your farmers instruments are staying in the farm as well as in contact of the soil or ground. This type of the pests are severely attacked and destroy the completely by your articles or damaging material of the farm. It is a farm work. Second is the timber thoroughly treated with the coal tar. Creosote is a repellent to the insects. Many more time we also use by the timber to particular the materials of the woodens are growing or staying or storages into the soil. We have get by the timbering, and also as a creosote is a repellent to coating of these parts. We are not attracting or attacking directly by the this structural paste. When termites are already in the wood, all infested parts will be removed and paste should be located if possible and destroyed by using kerosene or by fumigation. Many more time we have the forgotten to leave our materials on the ground or soil or farm. At this time the materials will be damaging this paste. We have get any harmful parts are cut off and get using the kerosene or by fumigation to destroy this type of the paste. Next, second is the chemical control. In chemical control, A point is the affected parts in the trees should be sprayed with Paris green or sanitary fluid. The chemical control are those control in which chemical or pesticides or chemical materials are used to control the damaging or controlling the population of this pest. It is called as a chemical control method. In this chemical control method, for use of the store grain paste, use of the structural paste is chemical is a Paris green or a sanitary fluid. This type of the chemicals are used to control the white ants. Second is the treatment of soil near the buildings with a mixture of trichlorobenzene, 1 part of fuel oil or creosote, 2 parts, helpful for a few years in keeping termite away. Many more time this type of the chemicals are used to treated the near about the building parts. We are not using the wooden materials for the build-up of these houses. At this time this type of the trichlorobenzene or fuel oils or creosotes are the used to mixer and to control the damaging of this paste. In this way, so this is your 5 types of the paste are completed of this syllabus and get a more instruction to the all student. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना महत्त्वाची सूचना अशी सांगायची की हे पहिले जे युनिट आपलं म्हणजे कुठल्याही विषयाचे असू दे, आपल्या TYBSc जुलॉजीमध्ये असणारे सर्व विद्यार्थी त्यांना सूचना आहे की आपण सर्व मुलांनी 6 कोर्सच्या संदर्भातलं टाइम टेबल देऊन लेक्चर झालेले आहेत. प्रत्येक लेक्चर चालू असताना रनिंग नोट्स काढायच्या आहेत. त्या रनिंग नोट्स काढून झाल्या की त्या आपण रफली लिहून घ्यायच्या आहेत. आणि या संदर्भातलं प्रत्येक जो टॉपिक आहे टॉपिकच्या तुम्हाला नोट्स यानंतर दिल्या जातील. त्या आपल्या मेन किंवा ओरिजिनल वहीमध्ये नंतर नोटबुकमध्ये नंतर राईट करायच्या आहेत. परंतु प्रत्येकाने लेक्चर आपण ऐकत असताना ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ बघत असताना हे सर्व पॉईंट्स जसे आपल्या पद्धतीने लिहिता आले तसे लिहिण्याचे प्रयत्न करा. जर तुम्हाला काही समजलं नसेल काही डिफिकल्टीज असेल तर नंतर आपण झूम मीटिंगमध्ये गुगल मीटमध्ये आपण एक भेटणार आहोत. त्या ठिकाणी क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स हा जो आपला सेशन असेल या सेशनमध्ये सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी जॉईंट होऊन आपल्या अडीअडचणी काही डिफिकल्टीज त्या आपल्याला सांगायच्या आहेत. त्यांच्या बाबतीत काही अडचण असेल तर ते आपण मुलांच्या त्यावेळेसच in presence of the Zoom meetings to solve your difficulties, and any points or any topics of the related topics are not imagined or not known to at this time, your concept will be clear. So completion of the first chapters of zoology paper 6B, so pest managements are completed. We have any difficulties or any concept or any topics or any pest we not clearly imagine, to repeat your YouTube links, observe the lectures, or later and later to get any difficulties to ask me anytime. So we have complete the first unit. Thank you.